Hi all of you, back with another video on Git, and this is my part 3 of Git. So let me just paste this IP. Wait a minute, my Git one is in pending state, so let me see. So its IP is already available. How this is possible? Okay, so now it's running. So my IP is this. So let me just paste here in session. Also let me do appearance. Let me change it, uh, 26 bold, and now here color should be uh, yellow. Yellow is my all-time favorite, so that's why I always take yellow. So EC2 hyphen user to login, or wait a minute, EC2 hyphen user. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can let me first show you the workflow. Where is my workflow? Yeah, there it is. So this is your working space, this is your staging area, this is your local repo. As I already told you, who folks haven't watched my video, that video, just watch it. The link is not there in the video, but you can check it in the playlist section of the channel. So let me just make a file, not here, first here, mkdir. I already made it ls. So there is Singapore Git. Let me just go into it. Singapore Git. Why it is not? Oh, so you can see that here. Let me just remove this first. rm hyphen rf. Okay, so there is no directory. Let me make it again mkdir, because there was a spelling error. Singapore Git. Okay, the Singapore Git is here. This. Now it's time to go in it Singapore. By pressing tab you can autocomplete. Okay, so make sure you also do this practice. So now I'm in this directory. Let me do git init. Okay, git init. So now you can see that this is now my local repo. Initialize empty git repository in this. So this is my path. So let me clear this as well. Now it's time to make a file. First cat, what should be my file name? File1 or anything else. Cat car. Okay, so this is my file name, car. So here I write like r8. Okay, r8. Why it is not printed? Why r is not printing? I think there is a glitch. My r is not printing. So let me write something else, like amg and your anything. I'm not getting the names. What are names? amg and z3 no, it's 370z. And let me try. R is on still now not working. I don't know, I think there is a problem. So I think this much is enough for now. Okay, so let me come back out of this. So this content is saved in my file. You can check it by doing this car. Okay, now you can see that. Okay, so let me show you where is my file. Okay, so my file is now in working space. Okay, so this is my file. I'm showing you the graphic user interface. Okay, this is my file car, and here is some content. here is some content, as you can see here. Not here, let me scroll it up here. So here is your content. Okay, so if you want to move this file to this staging area, so this is your staging area. Okay, so how can you do that? Let me show you. So first let me show you git status. Git status. So git status is your, you can see that untracked file. There is a untracked file by git find that there is a untracked file. Okay, whose name is car. The file name is car, and git add file to include in what will be committed. So I already told you, before committing, before going to local repo, this is your local repo. Okay, before going to there, so you have to first add to this staging area. So what is the command for that? The command is git add and your file name. Okay, you can use dot as well. Okay, because there is no file except this car file, so I am using dot. Dot means, I think, all. Okay, so dot means all. So now if I do git status, okay, git status, now you can see that here my file is now tracked. Okay, now for now my file is here. Let me show you. Now my file is gone here from here. Okay, so now my file is here. Now if I want to move here in local repo, how can I do that? Let me show you. So now you can see that use commit rm this to unstage. So now this is add the staging area. So let me clear the screen. So if I want to add to my local repo, how can I do that? Git commit hyphen m hyphen f hyphen m for message. So what message I want to convey, like this is my file, car file. Let me write car file. So R is not working, as I already told you. Let me write this is my first file. Okay, first file. I think this is enough. So now you can see that my one file changed to insertion and create mode. To insertion means there are two lines. So let me show you git status now. Git status, you can see nothing to commit, working tree clean. But before that, you can see when I run this command git status, you can see that there is this, but here you can see nothing to commit because my file is now committed. My file is now here. Okay, now my file is here, it is committed from here. So there is no, so now my working tree is clean. Okay, so I think you all now understand what is the workflow of git. Okay, so let me show you git log, git log. So now you can see that this is my this is my configuration which I did in my last video. This is my name, who committed, this person committed. What is the email ID of that person? This is the email ID of that person. And when did he committed? You can see the date and time as well. And what is the message while committing? This is my first video, as you all can see. This is my first file, not video. This is my first file. Okay, so everything you can see here. You can see git show as well, git show. So now you can see that there is a file AMG and 370Z is written in that file. Okay, and this was the message and this was the time. You can see everything. Okay, let me clear the screen. So there is your GitHub as well. Let me open this now. Okay, so this is your GitHub. Let me create a new repository for you all. Okay, repository name should be what? Let me write super car. Okay, this is only for my R is not working. Let me just configure my keyboard. Okay, so this is my keyboard, as you all can see. This is my keyboard, and there is your cells. Okay, here. So let me configure this. I think there is a problem, but I can fix it too. So let me write my repository name, your supercar. Now it is working, as you all can see, supercar. Okay, so this is only I'm writing this name only for you all, for understanding better. Okay, so let me just create this repository. Okay, so now my repository is created, and you can see all the commands. Okay, all the commands you can see here. So let me first copy this link. Let me just do this. So this is your link. Okay, this is your link. You have to, whether you can use SSH or you can use this. Let me use SSH. You can use any link. Okay, let me copy this link, and if you do, let me see command first. What is the command? Git remote add origin. Yeah, so this is your command, git remote remote. Still my R is not working. Why? Sometime it happens. I think I need to change my keyboard. Let me configure again. So there is a command which is known as git remote add origin. You can add repository. So now my R is working. Remote. Let me see command again. Git remote add origin. Git remote add origin. Okay, and now it's time to paste that URL. This URL. Where is this? This URL. Okay, how can you paste it? Just clicking this. Let me just do. Just clicking this. Right click. You can do like this. Okay, so now it's time to press enter. Okay, so now my this remote git is added. So this folder is added. If I do uh, let me see command first. Git push origin master main. You can use anything. Okay, git push origin master. Okay, master, and git push origin master, and I think, yeah, this is enough. Let me press enter. Let me press enter right now. So yes, I want to push public key could not read. Please make sure you have correct access rights. Okay, I got it. So what happened now? I have to contact. So I have to enter my username and your password of my Git account in here before pushing this. Pushing means I need to um, pushing means I upload that file here on GitHub. Okay, so git push -u. Let me try this one. -u -u permission denied public key. Okay, could not read from remote repository. Make sure you have correct access right. So let me, and repository exists. Okay, so let me do one thing. Let me open this, and let me open this https. Okay, so let me copy this. Let me add again git remote add origin. Now it's time to paste that URL. Remote origin already exists. Okay, so it is already exists. So let me try git push origin master. Again, permission denied. Please make sure you have correct access rights. The repository exists. So what is the problem? I really don't know what is the right now problem. uh, After that I added GitHub. Let me try this push origin master with access token. So let me do this 100%. So let me go into my profile. Now in settings, in where is that developer account, in account, in this account, not in this account, in developer settings. So there is your personal access token. So let me delete this token. Let me generate a new token. Let me write password first. Now it's time to add all this stuff. Now it's time to generate token. Let me write supercar, anything I can write. Okay, it is kind of a password. So let me copy this, not right now. Let me first git push origin master. So this is not asking my, it is not asking my username and password. Why it is not asking? So let me do one thing. Let me copy this token right now and let me paste here. Okay, and let me try this. Failed to push, some refers to such the error does not match any. Failed to push. Why this is happened? So let me try one more time. Let me see some commands first. So this is my token. Let me open GitHub here. First let me open my what was my name of that repository? Supercar. So or push existing repository from command git import code first hyphen not this remote add origin. Let me do a git remote remove origin. Git, let me try this. It works or not, I really don't know. Remove, git remove name. Okay, git remote remove supercar. No such repository. Okay, supercar.git. Let me try this. Supercar.git. Why it is showing this? Let me see first here. Okay, so there is no R here. So let me try supe, only supercar. It is also not here. Supercar.git is nothing. Git remote remove supercar dot. So let me try. Let me first come back from this. Okay, cd double dot to go back. Let me remove this directory rm-rf star ls. There is nothing. Clear screen. mkdir Singapore git. Okay, Singapore git. Let me make a file. Let me first get inside this Singa tab. Now it's time to create a file. Cat uh, super, not super, only car. Here I can write R8 GTR, okay, and 370Z. Also I can write like I think this much is enough right now. I can add later. So it's time to first make this folder like this. Make this folder local repo, or you can say working space. Git init. Now it's time to add git add car. Okay, now it's time to add git commit -m any message. This is my car file from Singapore. So let me check Git status. Nothing to commit. Working tree is clean. So it's time to now push this file because my file is committed right now. First let me add that repo git. Let me first see the command git remote add origin. Git remote add origin. Git remote add origin. Let me copy this link. So my repository is added right now, and it's time to push git push origin master. Let me copy that key as well, that token. It is not key. Error failed. So let me just add like only this. Okay, let me write here main git push -u. You can write without -u as well. src ref spec main does not match any supercar. Let me see what is the problem. Creating a new file. Let me try this ssh git push origin master. Let me try now master. Now you can see that it is asking me for username. So if I write here what is my username, Saitya the 25, and what is my password, I'll not tell you, but I'm writing right now, but you can't. So now you can see that authentication failed. Okay, instead of password, let me try again. So now let me first do this. Let me just do this. Instead of writing password, I can give this token. Let me copy this token. That's why I created this token. Let me paste here. Now enter. So now you can see that my file is gone. My file is uploaded on GitHub. So you can see that 100% writing object, counting object, done. So let me show you here. If I do refresh, so you can see that my file is here, car file. This is my car file from Singapore. My message is here. If I open this file, you can see that R8 GTR and 370G. So you can see that this is my stuff. Okay, so uh, I've just showed you by writing names. You can write anything. You can like in companies, software engineers write push their code, okay, in the repositories. So it is just to show you how thing works. Okay, so I think you all now are familiar with this, how you can push the code. Let me first show you here as well. Okay, so this is your GitHub. This is your this is your GitHub, and now from here local repo. Now you have pushed your file here. Okay, so the best part of Git and GitHub is your file is here also in this in your local repo, and your file here also in your remote repository. Okay, so you can, if anyhow the file which is in your remote repository gets deleted or gets removed, so there is that file in your local repo as well. So this is the best part of version control system. That's why most of the companies works on it. Okay, and this GitHub is owned by Microsoft, as you all know. So I think, yeah, that's about for today. I think this, I just want to show you this, and also I can do this. Where is my file? There it is. If I do vi, not vi, let me try this, cat. If I do this, I can add some content in that file, car. Okay, if I write like here, or so my file name is car, so I can write here like amg and m5. Also I can write anything like I think this is enough. I'm not getting the names right now. wq, not, it is not my vi editor. ctrl plus d to get out. So if I do git status, if I run this command, git status, now you can see that it is showing modified, which means something is added to my this file. So it is showing. So now again same process, ctrl, not ctrl, git add name of the file car. Now git commit hyphen m for message, modified, or you can say added names. So if I do this, so now you can see that one file changed to insertion. If I do refresh here, nothing will be changed. Why? Because I haven't pushed that code. So you have to push first. So you have to push first. Okay, so how to push? Git push hyphen u origin master. Now again username Saitya Gupta. You can write your username. Okay, don't write my username, and password should be like let me copy it again. Okay, now it's time to paste it here. You can't see that, but I have pasted. Just do one right click and press enter. Now you can see that everything is good. So now if I refresh here, so now you can see that amg and m5 is also added because I have pushed that code. I think now you can understand how things are working, and you can see git status again. Also you can see git log as well, log. Okay, so last my commit was this. So this is your commit id, which is of your 40 alphanumeric. It contains 40 alphanumeric characters. Okay, so this is your commit id. If you want to do like this, git show and you can paste this id here like that. So now it is showing that uh, the before stuff was R8 GTR 370Z, but now the modified one is your AMG M5, which you have added, which you have committed and pushed later. So this is that stuff. Okay, I think now you all are now familiar with this Git. Okay, so now it's time to end this video. So this video is all about pushing, adding, committing and pushing. So don't forget to close this machine. Okay, if you forget to like this video, you can forget it, but don't forget to stop this machine. You can stop by here. Okay, because AWS can give you bill like this. Where is my billing dashboard? So also you should check at least in 15 days. You can check, you should check this bill of your. So my bill is still 000. That is pretty good. Okay, so don't leave your machine started, because AWS can give you a bill a lot, a lot, a lot of dollars. A huge number of dollars AWS can give if you forget to stop this machine. Okay, so forget to like, forget to subscribe, but don't forget to stop this machine. Okay, so I think yeah, this is all about for today, and I will be meet you in my next video.
ਸਿੱਧੇ ਮੱਥੇ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋ ਲੋਕ ਸੋ